think from a South African, I think the frustration a lot of H2A workers have is communication. Not with you, we were good, but I mean, I'm just saying, because when I speak to a lot of South Africans about working on farms in America, a lot of them has mentioned that there's not a clear communication on what needs to be done
on the farm.
Yeah, and I understand that as well, but like with me, people don't really have to tell me what to do. I understand and I can see things and things need to be done anyway, whatever the case may be. But I think if there's a clear goal or, checklist of, okay, guys, this is what we're going to do for the week or today, give a clear direction, because I think there's just maybe younger guys or certain type of guys that would need better direction.
And that's with...
Or do you think farmers...
employer, whether you're hiring American or South African, or again, it's just management as an employer. And
yeah.
I know I can do better, should do better. It's hard. I mean, all right, you set a goal for the week. Well, by day 3 of those goals were all done, so now what are we going to do?
Yeah. Don't do everything in one day.
Or you won't do it like I want to do it. Yeah. I want it done. So it's some trust, and I think, again, the more experience any person has is good, but how do you get experience unless you dive in?
Exactly. So here's a question for you.